So I remember giving you guys homework, right? I hope you guys did your homework. Okay, so I hope all of you did your homework. Can you all go to your homework page?
Ah, what does that do? Actually, last one they did. Was.
And let me go. I want to go around and check those online. How many of you did your homework? Wafi, Shravya, thank you for doing your homework. Naura and Parabin,
Never do.
okay, next time please do your homework, guys. Very important to do your homework. Okay, let me see those physically here. Let's see how many did and how many did not do your homework. I did, but apparently there is. I think it's from 2 weeks ago, so should not be a problem. I get how many documents. Okay. You don't have a paper yet, I'll give it to you. How many of you did not come last week? Alexis, you are not here. Anyone else did not attend last week? So meaning you have not taken the checkpoint test yet, right? Okay. You as well, no. Praveen and Shravya have not took the checkpoint test yet. Okay. Maybe you guys can do the checkpoint test. Let me see. Okay, so apparently some of you just did your checkpoint test, so I can't really give out the paper yet because I haven't marked the one that just did I haven't marked again, haven't marked yet. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go through your checkpoint test with you. Okay? So supposedly you guys are supposed to do like we give you 1 week to do it. So for meaning that those who did not attend on Saturday, you guys have from Sunday all the way to Friday to do your checkpoint test at home. Okay. But there are still some who did not do. Some the admin texted but no reply. I think you guys go on a holiday. So I'm just gonna go through the checkpoint test right now. Okay, so what I want you guys to do is to go to the last page. Can you all go to the last page? I'm gonna do you guys are gonna do the checkpoint test then. Okay, all right. I'm not gonna give you a checkpoint test yet, like I said. There are some not yet. Put it on silent, man. Okay. Okay. All right. So let's go through. I think I heard from many that it was hard. Yeah. So the reason is because you guys did not practice. Yeah. So you guys should have practiced. You have a notebook, right? So you write down the answer on the notebook first, okay? Actually, Alexis and no, I think I'll give you later. Once we do everything here, right? You guys take this paper from me, okay? Your name is Halifa. Ishan. Ishan, okay. Ishan and Alexis, after class, can you take this paper from me? Okay. And what I want you to do is after I go through everything from the checkpoint test, go home, try to do again without looking at the answers. Okay, and see how much you get. Not my fault you didn't come. Okay. And yes, I noticed, by the way. Okay, so question 1 to 5. For each question, choose your answer and write it write its option. So same thing, no calculator is allowed for this question, okay? So the digit 6 stands for 60,000. So in which of this does the digit 6 stands for 60,000? So what I want you guys to do is to write down 60,000. Can you guys write down 60,000? So maybe you guys can do this. Question 1, 60, 10,000. Write that down on the piece of paper that you guys. Please. Okay, so yeah, Isha, you want to try? Okay, what is 60, 10,000? 60, 10,000 is equal to
2. Is it the answer? 2.
okay. I was asking what is 60, 10,000, not the answer, Robin. Okay. What is 60, 10,000? Can anyone tell me? Yeah. 600,000. So our friend say it's 600,000. Anyone here disagree? No. So yes, correct. Well done. Good job. So it's 600,000. So from here, then we can do whatever that Pravin just said, which is to get our answer. So it should be in the, what place is this? What place is that? Can anyone tell me what place is that in? So this is ones, this is tens, this is 100, this is 10,000, this is 100,000, and this one will be ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. After 100,000 is
Million.
million. Yes. Okay. So this one, the number 6, what where is it at? 100,000. Then after 100,000, like what Pravin said, it will be a million. So let's can you all write it down? So we have ones, tens, and then we have hundreds, followed by thousands, followed by 10,000, followed by 100,000. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our digit 6 should be here. So the only one is in option 2. So like Pravin said, option 2 is correct. All right, well done. So you guys just write down question 1 is option 2. Next up, 53,714 is equal to, I want to see, whenever you guys come across this question, I want you guys to underline and then write down the answer at the top. So in your papers, I want you to write down question 2, 53714 is equal to 53,000 is the same as 53,123 plus what is 200? 200 is just 200 plus whatever answer that is, and then we have a tens there. Remember, for tens, there's a 0 at the top. Okay, plus 14 ones. 14 ones is just 14. Maybe I put 14 here again. So what I want you guys to do is add all these up first. So 53,000 plus 200. If you see, you will think that, teacher do all this, I no need to do one. I can straight away get the answer. Teacher is doing a long way. Okay, am I doing a long way? Yes. Why? To reduce what? Careless mistake. You can jump steps, yeah. agree. But any of you here have never did careless mistake after jumping steps? No, right? So this is to reduce careless mistake. Okay. So answer will be 53214. So next step is to subtract. Let's take this, subtract with our answer here. So 53714 minus 53214. And obviously our answer will be 500. Okay, so my answer here is 500. Yes? Agree? All agree? Come on, guys. Everyone agree. My answer is 500. No one here disagree. All agree. There's one person that disagree. I knew he's gonna disagree because thank you. 2% disagree. Yes, you guys are supposed to disagree because of the tens here. I already told you. Tens, there's a zero there, meaning you gotta subtract 1 0 from here. It should be 50 tens. 50 tens will be equal to 500. Okay? So answer would be number 3. Copy all this stuff. I do not copy the question, please. Don't copy the question. Just copy whatever I copied. Okay, please, guys. I don't want to see anyone copying question. You guys have the questions later, which I will pass you once I mark everyone's paper. Okay, I think I have a few more students left. Okay. Let's continue with number 3. Faris multiplied the sum of 20 and 12 by 8 and subtracted 26 from the result. Which of the following represent this information correctly? So you got to see what Faris did first. What did Faris do first? He multiplied the sum of 20 and 12. Meaning he add these two up first, correct? And then he multiplied it by 8. So he did 20 plus 12 first. He did 20 plus 12. What's the answer? 20 plus 12 will give me 30, 32. And then what did he do next? 32 multiplied by 8. Can anyone tell me what 32 multiplied by 8? Go ahead, do the working. Okay, don't wait for your friends. Thank you. Anyone else? Let's give 10 more seconds for the rest. Those online, what is the answer? Come on, guys. Okay, 256. Please, I know it's in the morning, but come on. Okay, and then subtracted 26 from the result. So subtracted 26 from the result means 256 minus, oh my God, it's been so long. Okay, I'm sorry. 256 minus 26. Sorry, I'm just so excited to see you. Let's subtract that. Okay, can you guys subtract? Alina, you have the papers? Don't have. Sorry? 230. Thank you so much. You have any papers with you? 0. Nothing. Did you attend the previous lessons and so on? Did you attend the previous lesson or is this the first lesson that you attend? First one. Okay, so this is the answer that we have to get, which is 230. Okay, so which one here? 1, 2, 3, or 4? Tell us that. So let's take a look at the first one. From the first one, can anyone tell me which one am I going to do first from the first option? Using BODMAS, which one do I need to do first? Remember, this is our first step, second step, third step. Option 1, what's my first step? Dylan? Sorry. Just now I asked, nobody want to answer. Dylan, what is it? We got the times, yes. So 12 times 8. So this is my first step. Does it align with the one that we are doing here? Is multiplication our first step? Can you see? Maybe you can, if there's a lot of space there, you can shift your table. Yeah. You are the only one there. You are free to move. Okay. So looking at the first step here. Our first step is it multiplication? No, right? It's addition. So option one definitely out. Okay, option two. Manhin, which one should I do first? Bodmas, using Bodmas. Bodmas. Which one should I do first? Manhin, okay, can? Ishan, you wanna help? Bodmas. Do you know what's Bodmas, Ishan? Yeah, because I think I taught this to the class a few weeks ago. So maybe I give the rest first, okay? Richard, you wanna try? Which one should I do first? 8 times 20, well done. So we do multiplication first. So same thing. Is that what we want? No, we want it to be 20 plus 12 first. So definitely this one is also out. So for those of you who don't know what Bodmas is, I'm just going to tell you. So this is bracket, this is order. For those of you who forgot, yeah, please copy it down. This is division followed by multiplication, and then we have addition here, and last but not least is subtraction. All right, next up, 20 plus 12 times 8 minus 26. Let me see. Alia can help me with this. Which one should I do first? Using Bodmas, which one should I do first? What is B? Bracket. So we start with bracket. So if we see here, oh, it aligns with what we are doing. 20 plus 12. All right. Okay, once we are done with the bracket, we need to multiply, right? This will be our number 2. So does it align? Yes. And then what about the next one? Minus 6, minus 26. Yes. So answer will be option 3. Okay, that's how you do without any careless mistake. Next one, option 4. Why is this wrong? Teacher, this is also 20 plus 12 what, teacher? Okay, so this is number 1, fine. And then multiply by 8. This is number 2. But then what do you see next? They did 26 minus our answer here. So that's why this is wrong. You are supposed to do 256 minus 26, not 26 minus 256. So that's why this is also wrong. Okay, so that's why answer should be option 3. Okay, go ahead and copy it down. Okay, next up, question number 4. 2,500,000 divided by 500. What should I see on your paper? Should I see you straight away dividing this big number here, which teacher have not taught you before? No. What should I see you doing, guys? Come on. Anyone? Online, physical. What should I see you doing? I should not be seeing this because I saw some people doing this, no? Fuyo. One smart guy over here doing this. Which teacher have not taught you? Come on, what? Thank you. So 1 0 here cancel. Cancel another 0 here. And then we have another 0 here. So cancel here. And then we have another 0 here. Cancel. Okay. So last but not least, what I should be seeing you guys are doing is this here. 25,000 divided by. Okay. 25,000 divided by 5. Ilhan, what's the answer? All of you do it. Don't wait for your friends. Don't wait for your friend to answer the question. Okay, Ilhan? Finish. You just need to do 25 divided by 5. What's 25 divided by 5? 5. And then just put the zeros back. Okay? Well done, Isha Ilhan. So 25 times 5, right? Okay, so I'm gonna do step by step. Okay, 0 times 5, 0, and then it's 2, bring down 5. You have 25, and then 5 times 5 is 25, correct? And then you stop here. Do I need to use the rest of the 0? No. So just put it at the top here. Just bring it up. Why? Because 0 times 5 will give me 0, then 0 times 5 give me 0 again, and 0 times 5 will give me 0 again. So just bring all the zeros up, okay, guys? So answer will be 5,000, which is option 2. I hope to see everyone writing down everything that I wrote. Do not write the question. You guys will get the question paper next week, okay? Those online as well, you guys will see me, you guys can see your marked paper next week. Like I said, there are some of you are still not done with it. Next up, Madam Aini made twice as many curry puffs as sardine puff. Whenever you see the word twice, what is the first thing that pops to your head? Times 2. Or another thing is, times 2 is correct. What else pops into your head?
2 units.
Good. What else? Come on, guys.
2 units.
Thank you. 2 units. Okay, so let's underline curry puff. So curry puff is 2 unit. So which makes our sardine puff 1 unit. So which part of the following statement cannot be true? Okay, so curry puff is 2 unit. Sardine puff is 1 unit. Madam Aini made 70 curry puff. Can that be true? Yes, right? Why? Why do I say yes? Because if curry puff is 2 unit, 2 units is equal to 70. And if I find out what's 1 unit, 70 divided by 2 will give me 35. It's a whole number. That's why this one is true. Remember, the question say which one cannot be true, okay? Next up, Madam Aini made 60 curry puff. So can I take 60 divided by 2? Will I get a whole number if I take 60 divided by 2, guys? Yes or no? Those who say yes, please put a thumbs up. I do not want to see all of you waiting for your friends. Can I take 60 divided by 2 and get a whole number without any remainders? Yes or no? Put a thumbs up if you think it's yes. Thank you, Shravya. You can put your hand down. Thank you, Ehan. Put your hand down. Put your hand down. Put your hand down. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. The rest of you, thank you. What do you think? Can 60 be divided by 2? Yes or no? Can. Please put a thumbs up lah. Don't make me call you one by one. Guys, those online? Yes or no? Thank you, Farisha. Thank you, Wafi. Thank you, Naura. Pravin, yes? All right. So yes, so meaning this is also true. Madam Aini made 70 curry puff and sardine puff in total. So when you hear the word total, how many unit is our total? Naura, how many unit is our total? Naura, how many unit is our total? Oh my god. Oh, you are Naura, right? Why every time I call you, you always don't want to answer, but when I never call you, you're so happy to answer. Excuse me. What's going on, Got another one? Oh, that was Safira. You are the only Naura here. Come on, man. What's the answer? What's the answer? If I say in total, how many units would that? Total, how many units? Your sardine, how many units? Curry? Total? Thank you. So total is 3 units. So they say 3 units is 70. But guys, if I take 70 divided by 3, will I get a whole number? Yes or no? No. I'm not gonna get a whole number. That is why this is totally out. So the answer will be number 3. Okay, I'm just gonna go through number 4. Total 60 curry puff and sardine. So like our friend Naura say, this is 3 units, right? So 3 unit is 60. Yeah, we can find 1 unit. It's because 60, when I divide it by 3, I'll get 20. It's a whole number. Okay, so this one here is also true. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Write 8,090,040 in numeral. Okay. First thing, guys, okay, Sarah and or Sarah, you guys need to know that million is how many zeros? How many zeros is a million? Come on, you don't want to become millionaire, is it? Come on, guys, you want to become millionaire, you need to know how many zeros there are. Yes, we have 6 zeros. So millionaires, they have 6 zeros in their bank. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then we have 8. And then they said 90,000. 1,000, how many zeros? 3 zeros. Okay, well done. And then we have 40. So this is 40. Okay, so let's write it down. So 8,090,040. Let's just add them all up. So our answer would be 809004. Okay. For those of you who are confused as to how to write this, I see some of you still do not know. This is how you do this type of question. Okay. To avoid any careless mistakes. Next question. I think I told you guys that there will be this question that's gonna come up. Part D. Using all the digits, form the closest to 70,000. I hope you guys remember how to do this. Okay. So 70,000. So first you gotta form a digit that start with 6, and then you gotta form a digit that start with 7. So what is the highest digit that I can make from this one here? What's the highest number using all the digits that I have? 10, okay. Ishan can tell me, then later Ilhan I ask you. Ishan, what is it? Highest. It's 7, 9. Why you don't want to use 9, 7? Isn't that bigger? Yeah, okay. So 9, 7, 6, 1, 0. Sorry, wait. 9, 7, 1, 0. All right, Ilhan, next one. What is the smallest number that you can form with 7 at the front? 7, 0.
169.
Good job, well done. Okay, once you get these two numbers, you guys are supposed to find out how many it is. How do I find the one in the bracket? Minus these two, subtract. So can you guys subtract these two numbers and get the answer here? Subtract these two numbers and get the answer there. Go ahead and subtract. Don't wait for your friend to answer. Like I say, I'm not gonna tell you who I'm gonna ask. So all of you, please subtract. Alia, take this number and this number, subtract. Okay? Sarah, take this number, and this number, subtract. Sarah, once you subtract, you can tell me what the answer is, okay? Nor Sarah, once you subtract, can tell me what the answer is. There's two answers that I should get from you guys. Thank you. Sarah and Nor, Sarah, once you get your answer, just say it out. You don't have to wait for your friend. Just tell me just tell me one of it will be fine. Dylan, subtract already. If I go to your paper, I will see you subtracting. Done. Manhin also. If I go to your paper, you are done subtracting. Yes? No. Don't even know what to do. Come on, man. Richard definitely done. Ilhan definitely done. The rest of you, come on. Alexis. Hui. Well done. Okay, maybe Farisha can tell me if I subtract these two numbers, what do I get? Any answer will be fine.
190.
Thank you, well done. Now, Safira can just give me another number. So 1 is 290, well done. Ishan, I'm not sure how you got a different answer. You are supposed to take this, subtract by this. Did you do that? You did, okay. So it seems some of you have a hard time subtracting with zeros. I understand because I also saw your paper. Some of you do not know how to subtract when it comes to zero. So we take 0 minus 0, we will get 0, right, guys? And then 0 cannot minus 1. We go to the neighbor. Neighbor doesn't have anything. Go to the next neighbor. The next neighbor doesn't have anything. You knock to the neighbor that has something. So this neighbor is 7, right? So 7, we only take 1 from him. This becomes 6. So the next neighbor will become 10. Then you can give to your next door neighbor. Cancel 10. Remember, you can only give 1 to your next door neighbor. This neighbor will just have 9 left. Same thing. You can only give 1 to your next door neighbor. This one will have 9 left. This will be 10. Okay? Can you remember? And then 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 9 is 0. 6 minus 6 is 0. Answer is 290. Okay. Next answer, Naura, Safira, what's the answer? Maybe Praveen, what's the next answer?
I'm still doing it.
Still doing it. Okay. Wafiq then? Still doing also. Sarah, I know Sarah got the next answer. What is it? Thank you. Both of you got it. Well done. 169. Okay, once you get these two answers, okay, teacher, now what do I do? Okay, I already got these two answers. So is my answer this is or is my answer that? We take the one that is. Okay, we subtract. Yes, correct. But after that, what do? We take the one that is what? Smaller, yes. So the one that is smaller or the one that is closer. Okay, so maybe you guys can write this down. This answer is closer to 70,000. Okay, so that's why the answer should be 70169. Next question, Botmas again. Okay, Botmas always start with bracket. So we are gonna do bracket. Okay, so teacher, in the bracket there's subtract and addition. Which one should I do first? We do subtraction and multiplication. Which one to do first? Multiplication. Okay, so we're gonna do 8 times 9. I should see this kind of method in your answer key, but then I don't see it. You guys are supposed to write down everything back. 640 minus 480 divided by 112 minus what's 8 times 9? Come on, collectively, everyone, what's 8 times 9? Why is only one person saying it? The rest of you, what's 8 times 9? We don't know whether he's right or wrong. So 8 times 9, guys, what is it? 72. The rest of you sleeping? Or La La Land, Disneyland, excuse me, holiday over, yeah? 72. So answer should be 72. Okay. Plus 20. This is what I should see in your answer key, but somehow I don't. Please write all this down. And then next one, we have, of course, we got to finish up the one in the bracket, right? So I need to see you guys underlining and writing everything back. Minus 480 divided by 112 minus 72. Come on, do your calculation. What is it equals to? Anyone, 112, those online or physical. 112 minus 72. My answer should be?
40.
40. Thank you. Well done. Thank you, Praveen and Ishan. So 40 plus 20. Next up. Wait, hold on. Before that, look at bottomless. Which one should we do first? We should do
Order.
division first. Division first, okay? So 640 minus 480 divided by 40. Same thing. I shouldn't see you guys doing 480 divided by 40. I should see you doing this. 48 divided by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Okay, next. Now we do order. So what does order say? Order say if we have minus and addition, we need to do left to right. Okay, so left first. 640 minus 12. Anyone? Come on, guys. 640 minus 12. What is it equal to?
628.
628. Well done. Plus 20. What does it equal to? Thank you. 600. Good job, guys. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Question 8. Okay, question 8 is about factors. I still see some of you don't remember what factors are. Very sad. Very, very sad. Okay, so factors, you guys learn it in primary 4, primary 3. Okay, you guys already learned factors. Please, I'm gonna tell you what factors is again. I hope you guys remember what it is. Okay. Okay, so number 8. I am a 2-digit number. So what does 2-digit number mean? 2-digit number meaning there will be like number 90 or the number 6 and 1. Okay, so those are 2-digit numbers. Okay, 61, 52, these are all 2-digit number. It's a factor of 72. So whenever you hear factors, you guys are supposed to write this down. So 72, then you guys are supposed to write 1 times 72 is 72. Okay, and then next one, 2 times what? Give me 72. Okay, I want you guys to do this. I give you 1 minute to finish up the 72, the factor of 72. Go ahead and write it down. I'm gonna ask all of you. That's a lot. Okay, so I'm gonna ask all of you. So you guys better take out your pencil. Can you take out your pencil? Yeah. Can start writing, yeah. I'm not sure why is your head on the table. Start writing. Two times what? Give me 72. Then maybe the next one you can do. Okay, 3 times what? Give me 72. So if you guys don't know, you guys should do this. 72 divided by 2. Okay. 3 times 2 give me 6. Okay, I bring down 2, 12. Okay, 2 times 6 give me 12. Okay, and then I need to see you do the same thing with this 3 times table. Those of you who already got the factors of 72, any factors, just raise your hand and then I will tell you, I will call out your name and you can tell me what the answers are. Okay, anyone has gotten any other number? Please just tell me what it is. You got it, anyone? Tara got it? No, Sidri. You got the answer? Not yet. Alia got the answer? Not yet. Richard, you got any of the factors yet? No, not yet. Shravya, yes. Okay, Shravya, can tell me what it is?
All the factors.
Just one.
18.
18 multiplied by?
4.
Good job, well done. So she got 4 times 18. Parisha, what did you get?
24.
24. Okay, well done. 24 multiplied by?
3.
Good job. Anyone else? Anyone else? There's I think there's like 2 more. That's 12. Thank you so much. Okay, one more, guys. 8 times 9. Thank you. Well done. 8 times 9. Okay, so these are the factors of 72. Okay, remember they said it's a 2-digit number, right? So meaning all the single digit is out. Okay, so this will not be my answer. Okay. Yeah, you guys can cross that out. I'm just gonna erase this because there are some people who are still copying. Maybe I do this instead. Okay, so you guys can still see. Okay, number 9 is also out. So we have 12, 18, 24, 36, 72. Let's look at what other hints they give us. What is the next hint that they give us? Multiple of 12. So we got to figure out which one here is not a multiple of 12. Yes, so 18 is not a multiple of 12. The rest is a multiple of 12, so our final answer will be 8. Okay, nice, well done. Next up. Okay, maybe we can do question 9 onwards after our 5 minutes break. Okay, so now it's 9:42. You guys can come back at 9:50. Okay. All right, you guys can go for your break. You can go out, grab some snacks and so on. Okay. All right. Because it was next week. Was it right yesterday? January. Sorry, Monday. So all of you starting school Monday, right? Yeah. Okay, I think I remind all of you here. Okay. Your break is over, okay, guys. Let me just remind you before I continue. Okay, this one here is tonight, okay? So tonight, 7:45 to 9:15. So just remind your parents again. Okay, so tonight, 7:45 to 9:15. I say again, I really recommend all of you to go, and Ishan and Lina is online. Okay, it's online. So you don't have to come to tuition and so on. Don't have to go anywhere. It's online. How to do it? Just scan to register. That's it. Scan to register is live via Zoom. 7:45 to 9:15. Okay? Alright. Please attend this. No. Register? Yeah. Nice. Okay, well done. You've done the trial. Okay. Alright, so let's continue. Before that, anyone have any question regarding this? Anyone? No. No? Okay, if you have brother and sister in secondary school, theirs will be tomorrow. Not today. Today is just for primary school. Okay? Let's continue. And one thing good about this is that if you guys have brothers and sisters also in primary school, you guys can skip together and watch. Okay? Let's start. Okay, question 9. So a shop sold 294 more keychains on Tuesday than on Monday. It sold 311 fewer keychains on Wednesday than on Tuesday. How many more keychains did the shop sell on Monday than on Wednesday? So for this question here, I need to see model, but then do I see your model? No. Okay, no model, never mind. Get it wrong. So please, I need to see model. Okay, those online as well, please, I need to see your model being drawn. So first off, they said a shop sold 294 more keychain on Tuesday than on Monday. So what I'm supposed to see is you guys writing this down, Monday and Tuesday. Which one should be longer, Monday or Tuesday? Which model should be longer?
Tuesday.
Thank you, Tuesday. Okay, so please draw the model. Make it clear, okay, guys? Some of you, your model, very good, but they're so small. I'm not sure why. The space that they give is actually quite big. Okay. And then cut it up. Cut here, and then this extra part, what did they say? Is 294 more. So we write down 294. Okay, then what did they say about Wednesday? They sold 311 fewer on Wednesday than on Tuesday. So let's write down Wednesday. It should be smaller than the 1 unit. Okay, Wednesday should be smaller than 1 unit. Okay, so meaning, right, from here all the way to here, this is 311. So the question say, how many more did the shop sell on Monday than on Wednesday? So meaning you guys are supposed to find out what this part is. Because the difference between Monday and Wednesday is only this highlighted part there. So one step only. So one step question. Once you did your model, you should know that the one step is 311 minus 294. This is the only step I should see. Answer is 70. Copy this down, then later when I give you the checkpoint test, you guys can check and see your corrections. Okay. Next question. Let's go to question 10. Okay, question 10, I'm not gonna do it with you first. Now is 9:53. I give you guys 3 minutes is enough. So 9:53 to 9:56. You guys can start. Ishan, done, is it? Then start doing. Sarah, done, is it? Let's start doing. You're doing? Okay. Dylan? I give you guys a clue. For this question here, I should see you guys using either multiples or factors. Which one should you be doing? Think about it. Should you be using factors of 64 and 48, or should you be doing multiples of 64 and 48? I'm not telling you which. Okay. But the answer is quite straightforward. Yeah. Yeah, all that. Expected. Okay, the rest of you. Oh, we're done. We're gonna take it. That is fine. Okay, fun. What should you be doing? Good. What are you doing? Okay, thank you. I get it, but yeah, yours is however, my Dylan, Saras, you guys are supposed to do the factors of 72 and 64. I think, Richard, you are doing that. Not really sure. But yes, you are supposed to do factors of 64 and 48. Find the common factor of 64 and 48. Okay, so 64 and 48. Okay, since this is a big number, and I think I have enough for everyone here, so I'm gonna ask everyone here the answer. It's more than enough. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the easiest one, Dylan. Can you tell me one of the factors of 64? I'm giving you very easy, no? Can you tell me one factor of 64? Thank you. 1 times 64. Okay, next. Manhin, can you tell me one factor of 48? Again, I give you very simple. Thank you. I think, Richard, you've already done one of it. You want to do 64 or 48? 64 or 48? Which one you want to do? Okay, what times what? Good job. 2 times 24. Well done. Next up, Ishan, which one you want to give my answer to? Which one? 48 or 64? Okay, what times what? Yeah, sure. Well done. Alexis, next. No done. Okay. Those online, anyone want to give me answers? Parisha, I think you got it. Can you tell me one of it? Tell me which one you choose first, 64 or 48, and then you can tell me what it is. Parisha, hello, hello, hello. Done yet, is it? Okay. Shravya, can you help me?
4 times 16.
Thank you, well done. Next up, Ilhan. Sure. 4 times, sure. Laura, can tell me one of it? Have you done anything other than what is given? Yes? No, not yet.
6 times 48.
Thank you. 6 times 48.
6 times 8.
6 times 8. Well done. Anyone else? Alina? Any other number? Not yet. Those online? Open to the online people, anyone? No? Praveen, got it? No.
3 times 16.
3 times, yes, well done. So 48, we have 3 times 16. Okay, there is one more. And those of you who have not answered, please answer me. Those of you who have not answered, please answer me. Anyone? One more. And this is not hard at all. You should not be doing any working for this one. It should be in your 1 to 12 times table. It should be in your head right now. Anyone? Ilhan, let's give the rest a chance. If they really cannot, then I'll ask you. Ilhan is like, guys, come on, guys. It's the 1 to 12 times
8
table.
times 8.
Yes, thank you, Wafik. Okay, Ilhan, what's the answer? What did he say? Can you say louder? Thank you. Okay, so it's actually in your 8 times table. Good job, guys. Well done. Okay, so let's take a look. So we have all this. Now let's find the common. So the number of boys in each team. How many boys are there in each team? Yes, well done. How did he figure out that it's 3? Because he found out that the common number is 16. So once he found out the common number is 16, this is the number of teams. So in one team, there is 3 boys and 4 girls. Okay? Okay, done. Then let's move on to question 11. Okay, section C. So calculators, can I see calculators? Those online. Those physically here, take out your calculator. Thank you, Praveen. I saw yours. The rest of you, can I see your calculators, please? Thank you, Wafik. Naura, Safira, can go and take at the stationery area, the one beside the makan place. The rest of you, got your calculator? Outside the calculator, you can take it. Yeah. Marlene, can I see yours? Got it? Richard, can I see yours? Okay, thank you. Those, you two, can I see yours? Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I think I saw the rest. Thank you, Shabia. Okay, let's start. Saleh is between 20 and 50 years old. 5 years later, his age will be a multiple of 4. 3 years ago, his age was divisible by 7. Yeah, I think there's no one else, Richard. Thank you so much. Can you close the door? Okay, so they say that his age will be a multiple of 4 5 years later. So let's write down a multiple of 4 that is between 20 and 50. So I think I'll pick those that did not answer me just now. So Sarah can tell me what it is. Multiple of 4 that is between 20 and 50. Oh, 8, Charles. Good, 24. 20. Good job. Good job. Okay, Noor, Sarah, can you continue? 40. 44. Well done. We stop here. Why? Because they say it's only until 50. Okay, because the next number is going to be 52, right? But yeah, the next number is going to be too big. So we're going to stop here. Next one. They say it's a multiple of 4 5 years later. So how do I find his age now? Plus 5? This is 5 years later, no? 5 years later, if he's 24, 5 years later, what age is he now? Listen first. 5 years later, he's 24. What age is he now? 19. How did he get there? Subtract. Okay, so now what we have to do, we got to subtract by 5. So minus 5. So 24 minus 5. Maybe we can write here now. Okay, maybe. Okay, and then I want you guys to do this yourself. I will call out those who I did not call out just now. Subtract, all of you, please subtract 28 minus 5, 32 minus 5, 36 minus 5. Very simple, honestly. So 28 minus 5, Praveen, what is it? 28 minus 5, can you use calculator, bro? Should be very simple, very easy. Calculator, calculator, calculator. Thank you, Praveen.
23.
Next one, 32 minus 5. Alexis. This is calculator length, 32 minus 5. What is it? Bro, you can copy later. Just tell me what 32 minus 5. Alexis, use your calculator right now. Can you key in 32 minus 5 for me? Thank you so much. Just key in 32 minus 5. What is it? Thank you so much. Next up, Adlina, 36 minus 5 is? Thank you. Next one, 40 minus 5. Alia. 35, thank you. Okay, next one. Yes, 44 minus 5 is? Thank you. Okay, next up, 48 minus 5, Richard. Thank you. Okay, so these are all 5 years later, and then we find out how much his age is now. What is the next thing that they say? 3 years ago, his age is divisible by 7. So let's do another one. So 3 years ago. 3 years ago, his age is divisible by 7. Now, if his age is 19 right now, 3 years ago, his age will be? If his age is 19 right now, 3 years ago, he will be 16. Now you got it right. Yes, so you got a minus 3. Well done. So the next one, we got to subtract by 3. So let's subtract it by 3. 19 minus 3, 16. The rest, can you guys continue? I'll call on to those of you who I did not ask just now. So Wafiq, 23 minus 3 is? Wafiq, 23 minus 3, thank you. So 20. And then next one. Hold on, relax. I gotta call everyone in the class. Naura Safira, 27 minus 3 is? Naura Safira, 27 minus 3. Thank you. Next up, 31 minus 3, Ilhan. Thank you. Next up, Dylan, 35 minus 3 is? Thank you. Next up, 39 minus 3 will give me 36. 43 minus 3 will give me 40. Okay, then they say his age was divisible by 7. So which one would the answer be? Which one is divisible by 7? Can anyone tell me? Yes, so from this one here, let me just highlight. Which one here is divisible by 7? So like our friends say, it is 28. So meaning his age now is 31. So Saleh's age now is 31 years. Okay, let's move on to the next question. A group of children share a packet of sweets. If each child gets 6 sweets, the last child will only have 2 sweets left. If each child gets 4 sweets, there will be 10 sweets left over. Okay, so same thing. I think I will give you 3 minutes to do this. So this is shortage and shortage, excess and excess, or shortage and excess? Can anyone tell me? Shortage, shortage, okay. So everyone else agree this is shortage and shortage. Our case 1 and case 2 are both shortage and shortage. Agree? Think about it.
It's shortage and excess, right?
Yeah, so Ilhan and Shravya, you guys get it correct. It's shortage and excess. How do they know it's shortage and excess? You guys can figure it out later. So it's shortage and excess. I hope you guys remember what to do here. Okay, you guys should be using your shortage excess method. Okay, so we have case 1 and case 2. I should be, what I'm supposed to see is you guys drawing model. So we have case 1 and case 2. So for case 1, we have a short of how many? Short of, wait, this one is not 6 minus 4. It's supposed to be 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2, and then there's a short of 4. Okay, so we're gonna draw dotted lines because it's something that we don't have. Whenever we don't have something here, we put a box here to tell us that, oh, this one we don't have it. Okay, so it's 4. Okay, now to figure out what this one here is. So what is this whole thing here? I hope all of you remember what it is that you guys need to write. Our statement that we need to write. We need to let the number of what? Children. Let the number of children be 1 unit. If the number of children is 1 unit, meaning if I give each of the child 6 sweets, how many sweets do I have altogether? If the number of children is 1 unit, I give each child 6 units. How many sweets are there altogether? Thank you. 6 units.
Okay.
If the children that I have is 1 unit, each of them gets 6 sweets. So it'll be 1 times 6. 1 unit times 6. Which is equal to 6 units. And then 4 sweets will be 4 units times 4. Which is equal to 4 units. So where should I write 4 units? It will be somewhere here. 4 units. Why am I cutting this out and writing 4 units? Because this is the extra, which is 10. So the difference between 6 units and 4 units. What's the difference here? The one I highlight?
2 units.
Yeah, so the highlighted part will be 2 units. So from here to here is 2 units, meaning 10 plus 4 is 2 units. So 2 units will be equal to 10 plus 4, which is 14. After finding 2 units, you must always find, what is it, Alia? Once you get 2 units, the next step is always to find. Thank you. And how do I find 1 unit? Can you continue?
Coach,
Yeah.
for the 6 units, you wrote 4 in the box, isn't it supposed to be 2?
For 6 units, I wrote 4 in the box.
Case 1.
Oh, why? Why? Okay, the last case, I explain again, okay? The last child get 2 sweets, correct? How many sweets is the last child supposed to get? He's supposed to get 6 sweets. Last child supposed to get 6, but he only got 2. Meaning I'm short of 4. 6 minus 2, I get 4. Okay? Alright. So that part is slightly confusing, but I think most of you, your English is good, right? So try to read slowly. Okay, I think all of you here, Singaporeans, all of you here, you guys should be able to get it, okay? One unit will be 14 divided by 2. Yes. So 1 unit is equal to 7. So 1 unit, remember 1 unit is up here. Anyway, Shabia, thank you for that question. I think most of your friends here also have the same question. So 7 is the number of children. Okay, now you guys need to do case 1 or case 2. So find the total sweet. Go ahead and find the total sweets. For those of you who just attend lesson, like this is your first day or second day, you guys might be confused because this is actually those that I've taught during November and December. Okay. But it's okay. Next week onwards, I will redo certain questions because I know some of you already forget how to do. Okay, so whenever you see case 1, Alexis, you must look at the model. Okay, case 1, I should look here. So if you look here, Alexis, you can see that you have how many units, Alexis? One more time, okay, Alexis, look at the screen. This is case 1. Whenever you see case 1, you look at the model. This is case 1, right? And then take a look. How many units do you have? One more time. This is case 1, correct? This is case 1, correct? Look at the model. How many units do you have? 6 units. And then the dotted lines here, when I write dotted line, meaning I don't have this, correct? So you need to take 6 units minus 6 units. You got a minus? Yes, thank you. So write down. So 6 units minus 4. Okay, how do I find the 6 units? We know 1 unit is 7. So 7 times 6 times 7. Minus 4, which will be equal to 38. Thank you. Then now, case 2. Alia, look at case 2, Alia. This is case 2. This is case 2. How many units must I find? 4 units. And then what do I do next? After finding 4 units, I need to add with 10. Okay, so what you should write is 4u plus 10. I already found 1 unit here. It's 7. So to find 4 units, same thing. You do 4 times 7 plus 10. Answer will be the same as case 1, which is 38. So if you do case 1, answer will be 38. If you do case 2, your answer should also be 38. Okay. Okay, one last question of your checkpoint test, okay, guys. One last question and we are done. One last one, guys. We can do this. How many of you, after looking at all the correction, you guys like, oh no, I don't think I did well for the paper, or you like, oh, I think I did okay for the paper. Don't know.
I didn't think so.
I
I don't know.
Okay. So I do realize that most of you said the paper is hard. However, if you guys had practiced the notes that I gave you, you will notice that most of the questions that I gave you are all the same as to the notes that I gave you. Okay, there's no question here that is out of the notes. Okay, they're all the same. So please practice and practice at home. Okay, can anyone still copying here? Can I move on? Yes, Sarah can. Sarah, what you do yesterday night, Sarah? You party, is it? You party at 12 a.m., is it? So sleepy, ah. Nama budak ni. Okay, maybe before, you have a lesson, right, on Saturday morning. So Friday night, make sure you guys early. Especially and you two at the front. You guys have like what? 3 hour, 30 minutes at tuition here. Okay, so try to sleep early. Okay? Yeah, I think there are some that take maths followed by science. So please, Friday you gotta sleep early. You taking maths and then science next. Wow. So yeah. All right. Next up, let's do question 13. Madam Murni baked some chocolate cookies in the morning. She then baked another 286 cookies in the afternoon. Then she packed all the cookies equally into 4 bottles. She gave 1 bottle to her neighbor, and then she gave 82 cookies to her children and had 548 cookies left. So for this question here, I want you guys to read and I want you guys to try it yourself. You guys have 3 minutes to do part A only. So more than enough time, okay? Okay, start. Read the question and do it. Okay. So she baked a lot of cookies, right? And then the cookies that she made, she put inside 4 bottles. She gave one to her neighbor. She's left with how many bottles? 3 bottles. And then what did she do with the 3 bottles? She gave 82 to her children, and then she had 548 left. Meaning our last sentence here, the last sentence is equal to how many bottles? 3 bottles. Huh? So let's write it down. So 3 bottles is equal to 82, which is what she gave to her children, and then she have 548 left. So the 82 plus 548 will give me, good job. And the same goes for units, Alia. If we have 3 units, it's the same as 3 bottles. The next step, Alia, what do we need to do? Find out what is 1 unit. Or in this case, it will be one what? We need to find one what? 1 bottle. Okay, so same thing as our unit. Alia, continue. How to find 1 bottle? If 3 units is 630, how to find 1 unit? 630 divided by 3. Okay, so 630 divided by 3. And our answer will be 210. So that's our answer. How many cookies are there in each bottle? 210. Alright, last one, part B. How many cookies did Madam Mori bake in the morning? So to find out how much she baked in the morning, we need to find out how many bottles she have. How many bottles does she have altogether? She have
3 or 4.
Yeah, 4. So there's 4 bottles. Okay. So you need to find out what is 4 bottles. So we continue from here. So 4 bottles will be equal to, we know 1 bottle is 210. So we multiply it by 4. So we will get 840. So 4 bottles is 840. So in the morning, she baked 840. Don't forget. What did she do? 840. She baked another 286, right? So we gotta get rid of the afternoon. So to find out what's in the morning, we gotta take 840, get rid of what she baked in the afternoon, which is 286. So our final answer will be 554. Copy this down. Okay, and that's the end of our checkpoint test. After going through, do you see that, oh, it's actually not that hard? It's just that you guys lack of what? Practice. Okay? Ishan and Alexis, I want you to go home, do this paper. Okay? Don't look at the answer key. Okay? Alright, once you are done, you guys can mark. Mark yourself. Those online as well, if you guys have not done the checkpoint test, try to do it again. Okay? Alright? And that's all. Yeah, I am. Are you happy or are you like, oh man? Which one? It's okay, I know she like me. Okay, you guys can pack up. Those online, you guys are done. There's no homework, so you guys can end here. Okay? Alright. I'll see you next week. Enjoy your first day of lesson in school, okay?
Bye, coach. Thank you.
Yeah, that's why I say enjoy. I know you guys are gonna have fun. Thank on the first day.